Hello, this is question 11 on your mixed exercise 3 from year 13. You have three functions, f, g, h, defined this way. You have to find f7, g3, and h minus 2. So we just need to substitute. F7 is going to be f when x is 7. So we have 4 times 2, which is, 4 times 5, which is 20. G3 is going to be 3 cubed plus 1, just substituting the x by 3. So it's 27 plus 1, 28. And h minus 2 is going to be 3 to the power of minus 2, which is 1/9. Then for b, we have to find the range of fx and range of gx. Range of fx is a straight line, yeah? So if you want to look at it as it's a straight line, is 4x minus 8, so positive gradient, and the y-intercept is minus 8, but they say when x is greater or equal than 0, so the domain is going to be when x is greater or equal than 0. We don't have this part here, yeah, which means our y is going to start in the minus 8 and go up, yeah, all those values of y, but I don't have any value of y below the minus 8. So the range of fx is going to be greater or equal than minus 8. That's the range of that one. And then the range of gx. The range of gx, this is a cubic, and x can be any value, which means y is going to be any value, yeah? So it's going to be positive, negative, so the graph is doing something like this. We have any possible outcome, yeah? So the range of that one, gx, is going to be any real number, and we can write like this. For c, we have to find g minus 1x. Remember to find g minus 1. I'm going to go to gx. I'm going to make x the subject. So we have y is x cubed plus 1. So I'm going to make x the subject. I'm going to do the cube root, and x is going to be, I'm just swapping the order, y minus 1. And I'm going to call x g minus 1. And I'm going to call the y x again. So once I have made x the subject, I'm going to call this g minus 1 and y x. So this is the function. Then for d, find the composite function f(g(x). f(g(x), I'm going to do always first the g, so the closest to the variable, and then I'm going to apply f to this. Gx is x cubed plus 1, so I'm going to do f of x cubed plus 1. F is this function here, but instead of writing x, I'm going to write x cubed plus 1. So I have 4 brackets x cubed plus 1 minus 2. And I'm going to put the numbers together. So 4x cubed 1 minus 2 minus 1, and I can leave it like this, yeah? Or I can expand the bracket, so if you prefer, you can write 4x cubed minus 4, either way. And now for the last one, solve GHA equal to 144. So we are going to find GH of A, so G of HA, we are going to make that equal to 244. So G of HA, when x is a, is 3 to the power of a. So we are going to find G of 3 to the power of a, and we are going to make it equal to 244. G of this value is going to be that value cubed plus 1. So we are going to cube that 3 to the power of a, and adding 1 is going to be 244, which means power of a power, I'm going to multiply the exponents. So I have 3 to the power of 3a is going to be equal to 244 minus 1, which is 243. We can take logs, or you can notice that 243 is 3 to the power of 5. Yeah, it's quite easy. If you divide just ones by 3, you get 81 that you know is a power of 3. So that means if the powers are equal, the exponents must be equal. So 3a is going to be equal to 5. Therefore, a is 5/3. Yeah? And that's all with this question. It's just quite straightforward.